Hi, I'm Riah Lynn, and I'm a nude art model who also does fashion, lingerie, swim, you name it. I found out about Muses through Alice, who is the event organizer here. She literally scouted me out back when I started modeling in 2020, and we've talked for 4 years and never met, and this event is always around my birthday, and so this year I was like, you know what, I'm going, I'm making the sacrifice, I'll celebrate my birthday there, and I'm very happy that I came. Wonderful event. Definitely the venue, like it's so, I thought I saw it all and then I didn't, so I just, definitely all of the acres of land to just, I mean, can you see behind me, like these horses? You can go to a mansion or you can go to horses, come on. You might want to go to the mansion, but I'm gonna enjoy the nature and be with the horses. Yeah, I think that this is the best event I've ever come to because it was ran by a model. She's seen everything. I mean, she's been in the industry. If you don't know Alice Antoinette, I think you might live under a rock if you're in this industry. I mean, she provides you food. She provides you clothing, wardrobe. There's even tampons. Like, are you kidding? It's above and beyond. Couldn't ask for anything more, truly. Schedule being laid out to see every model too, like it's not even just you get your schedule, you see every model's schedule, is probably why it's ran so smoothly. Like she literally put every model's schedule on a board so that you could never not know what you're doing if you don't already know, which if you pre-booked you should, but that's besides the point. Like, I think it definitely eliminates stress, like makes it smoother, you know, easier to, you literally look at a board, you're like, okay, this is what I'm shooting if you forgot, you know, like, it can't get much easier than that. You go a little bit down and there's like a creek and a little bridge over the creek, and I think that was definitely my spot. I love water, I love just being able to see, you know, more nature, and I liked the little swing down there too. Girl, I've heard good things about you, amazing things about you, but then I hear like the random bad things about you, and like, I don't listen to what people say. I don't give a fuck about drama. I want nothing to do with that. Stay away from me. And you know, the people that do want the drama, I'm like, cool, I don't want to go. But yeah, I was telling her, I'm sure you don't, but don't ever let that affect you, because you're doing the damn thing and people are just jealous that it's a woman doing it. Absolutely. I think Muses in Wonderland is the best event I've ever gone to personally. I've gone to, you know, not 7 million in a year or anything like that, but I've gone to my fair share in 5.5 years of modeling, and this is 100% the best event that I've ever gone to. Every single girl is friendly. I haven't met one person that is like rude or, you know, makes you feel any kind of way, or like just, you know, I hate going to an event and you see that girl that acts like, I'm top bitch, I'm better than you type thing, and there's no one here like that. They're all willing to, you know, be your friend and also like root for you. Like, it's very women empowering, and I love that. Hi, I'm Riah Lynn, and if you want to follow me on my model journey, you can check the links down below.